to add a light in Blender, Shift+A. Now you're going to go to light, scroll all the way down. It's kind of in the middle. And there's a bunch of different options we can choose. So there's a point light, there's a sunlight, there's a spot, and then there's an area. So each one will illuminate the scene differently. So let's click on point. And we can see this is a point. And it's very similar to the one that's there by default. So let's click on the point one here. And we can see over here to the right in the properties panel, there's now a green light bulb icon. So if I click on the camera real quick, we can see there's a green camera icon. Let's click on the light again. Now it's a green light bulb icon. So the light bulb icon, the properties panel, will only be shown if you have a light selected. So it's very specific to what you have selected. So let's click on the light icon. And there's a bunch of different properties here. So in this view, we can actually change it. So right now it's point. If I click here, I can change it to sun. I can change it to spot, and I can change it to area. Below this, we have the color. So we can change the color of the light. We can change the power. It's in watts of how bright it is. And then down here are some more options. In this case, we have the area. So what is the size of the area that's illuminating? And down here, we have shadows of what type of shadows should it cast. So there's a lot of cool stuff with this. And later on, once I show you how you can move and grab stuff and move around your scene, then we'll actually light up our scene. And I'll actually go in more depth on how the lights work.